to make and create get to know me Instagram story on Canva PC, easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top and click on create a design. After you click on create a design, go here and search for Instagram story. Click on it and now it will take you to this page. Go here and scroll down like this. Now here you will find get to know me Instagram story. Click on see all and choose any template here and you can edit it fast and easy. As you can see, you can change the photo, the text and everything. After you finish editing, go here and click download. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.